Hey guys, my name is Jeevana. Welcome back to my channel. This video is about ponytail hairstyles. So, without any further ado, let's get into the video. For the first hairstyle, I'm gonna properly side part my hair and then take a small section like this and do a regular Dutch braid. For the Dutch braid, you have to take your right section under the middle and left section under the middle like this. As I got the good grip, I'm gonna take my right strand under the middle and then add hair to the strand. And then left strand under the middle, add hair to the middle strand. Again take your right strand under the middle and then add hair. And then take your left strand under the middle, add hair to the strand. Take your right strand under the middle, add hair. And then left strand under the middle, add hair. Repeat this step all the way through until where you want to tie your ponytail. I have stopped adding hair where I want to tie my ponytail and started to pinch and pull the braid to make it voluminous and give it a good dimension. This step is a whole game changer. It changes the way your braid and your hairstyle looks. You must skip this part if you don't like. Start doing it regular 3-stranded braid. Pinch and pull the braid. Tie the ends with an elastic. Now take all your hair into a ponytail along with the braid. Tie it with a rubber band. Pull your ponytail to make it voluminous. Pinch and pull your braid. And that's it, you're done with the first hairstyle. I love the way how it turned out. For the second hairstyle, I'm gonna wrap the braid around my rubber band. And secure the end with a bobby pin. That's it, you're done with the second hairstyle. Coming to the third hairstyle, I'm gonna take a small section like this and then start doing a regular 3-stranded braid. Continue doing the braid until the end. Take another section and do a regular 3-stranded braid. Until the ends. After you're done doing the braids, separate out the braids and tie all your hair into a ponytail. Crisscross the braids and take it under the ponytail. Adjust the braids properly. Pin the braids behind your ponytail like this and cover it up with the ponytail. That's it, you're done with the hairstyle. For the fourth hairstyle, separate out your front section and tie all your hair into a ponytail. Gently backcomb your front section and then flip it. Comb your front section neatly like this. Pin the hair just above your rubber band with your bobby pins. And that's it, you're done with your perfect ponytail. For the fifth hairstyle, tie all your hair into a ponytail. Separate out the ponytail into two sections. Take your upper section and then divide it into two. Take it under the other section and then tie it with a rubber band. Pinch and pull it to give it a volume and a good dimension. Take this another section and then divide it into two. Take it under the other section, tie it with an elastic. And then again gently pinch and pull the braid. Repeat the same again with this another section. This time tie all your hair with an elastic and then gently pinch and pull the braid. And that's it, you're done with the fifth hairstyle. Coming to the sixth hairstyle. For the sixth hairstyle, take all your hair to your right side and then twist it like this. Pinch and pull the twist to give it a good volume. And then tie it into a side ponytail. Take a small section of hair from a ponytail and then start doing a 3-stranded braid. Braid it until the end and then tie it with an elastic. Take another section and then start doing 3-stranded braid until the end. Tie it with an elastic. Now take both the braids under your ponytail, crisscross it and then take it over, crisscross it. Then take it under, tie it with an elastic. And yeah, you're done with the hairstyle. Coming to the seventh and final hairstyle, take your hair into a half ponytail, that is from your ear to ear, and then tie it with an elastic. Make a hole just above your elastic. Take your ponytail over and then pull it through the hole. Separate out the remaining sections into two and then start doing a regular 3-stranded braid with one section till the ends of your hair. Tie the ends with an elastic. Repeat the same with the other section. Now take your braid through the hole that you have made before over your rubber band and pull it through it. And then repeat the same with other braid. Take both the braids to the front and tie it with an elastic along with the ponytail. Take small section from a ponytail and wrap around both the rubber bands. And that's it, you're done. If you like these hairstyles, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.